What am I eating for breakfast today? This is toasted multigrain fried egg, sunny side up. This like beef. So I roasted this beef like yesterday, and then I throw it in the fridge. So I'm using it like breakfast. So I just took it, slice it, and then warm it. I'm using it for breakfast. So this is scrambled egg. So you see it, guys, this is how it is, my breakfast. Lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, and then Thousand Island and plasmic vinegar. So this is a simple breakfast from home. See you guys. Like this channel, subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share. Bye bye yo. Let me turn off the stove.